What's up, YouTubers? Now I'm back to my another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to make black and white in Premiere Pro, just like this. Bro, I like to use this effect. This is my favorite effect that I like to use in my videos tutorial. So now let's jump into Premiere Pro right now. So right here I have the footage I'm going to use. So now let's jump in the effect panel to search my effect. Search the effect called black and white. Black and white. It's located in image control. So drag your black and white and drop it into your video clip. Okay, after this, and then search again the effect called level. It's located in adjust. Just drag this effect and then drop it into your video clip. And then come here on effect control, then just balance this black input level. Let me increase some small number with black. Then on the second one, just you can reduce some small number, but I just want black and white only. You can increase or decrease, depends on how your footage you want to be looks. Okay, just you see, guys, this is the first way. So the second one, let me close this one effect. The second one, you can come here in color tab. So as you know, you can use these basic correction settings. Then you can here to reduce also your saturation, and then increase this contrast. You can increase this black and increase this white. Just add some highlights, reduce some shadows, and then reduce the small and exposure. So this is two ways you can use to set your footage into black and white. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe, like, and drop your comment down below. So now, see you in next video.